Give me this one. How much? 150.
That one.
This Martin 100 now. Now wow. Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your baby girl Mama. What's up? In today's vlog is all about shopping and traveling, so stay tuned and keep watching. So guys, right now we are in Enugu City Raban store precisely to shop some little things for the kids. So at the same time we are traveling to the village, so I'm gonna vlog my stay in the village. So keep watching and don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. If you are watching me for the first time, you are highly welcome. My channel is all about cooking, lifestyle, hairstyle, talk videos and more. If I see any video that caught my attention, I can as well film it, so feel free to join my amazing family. I normally upload videos on weekly basis, so don't forget to subscribe, like and share your thoughts at the comment section down below. At the same time, if you are my OG returning subscriber, thank you so much for always stopping by. God bless you all. So keep watching and hope you enjoy this vlog, because I'm gonna vlog a lot in this video. So don't forget to share your thoughts at the comment section down below. Yeah. Hello, please, where can we see books for children? Okay. Upstairs.
Let's go there and then we'll come down.
The next day. The next day.
So let's go. Yeah. You didn't wear. Come. Let's see. 9. Who's that?
A few moments later.
So guys, right now we are in Delta States, driving around to Ozoro town. Yes guys, so keep watching and hope you enjoyed watching.
A few moments later.
Yes, what do you want to do? Sasha, what do you want to eat? Eating. Yeah.
The next day.
You see how you. Hello, is it that?
I know I'm blocker.
I see how he's jumping to plug the orange. So, end up plugging the orange, and here is the orange. Honestly, this orange is sugary lecker. That's very good. I've licked one already. Very nice. See how green is looking, but it's very sweet. Like I don't know. I've not seen one for the first time. Abby? Ah. So here is me trying to lick the orange. This is the fresh orange we just plucked.
So this is my
Look at it. So lekker, guys. Very nice. Don't mind me, the weather here is so hot, like seriously hot. You can
something.
the other one,
Yeah.
but there is no more orange there.
No, they blocked it yesterday. So that was the one I was licking yesterday.
Okay.
This one is for this body.
And all of them are very sweet.
Yeah. But this one are not. This one.
Be careful with this knife. I don't like the way you are pointing with knife.
This one is just a little bit sweet, but it's not sweeter than this one.
Wow. Okay, guys, you've heard it from the horse's mouth. He's just trying to explain what is happening in the village. That's most of the orange from the 60s or the 80s. 1918. Wow, that's a very long time, guys. You can see how my daughter is enjoying this orange. She's smiling. The orange is very sweet, like very sweet. I really enjoyed it. This part, the look, this part, the look, how it's looking. You think it has not even ripe, or that, but it looks good. The taste is sweet. So keep watching.
This one is more
2009.
Yeah.
So which one is the grandma and the grandpa of the orange now? The other one is grandpapa, and this one is grandmama. And this one is the their children. Wow, it's really fun here anyway. So right now we are going to the backyard. We want to plug pawpaw. So keep watching. Is there anyone right there? Hold on, guys. This one fell down by himself. Okay. And no other one that is ripe. Oh, guys, I don't know if you are seeing the tree of the old pawpaw. Cannot live there. I think the other one. Let's I don't know if you guys are seeing it. Oh my goodness. I'm trying to video it very well, but it's not showing. Yeah. So I think
The backyard, we produce so many things in the backyard.
yeah.
Like, look at the ridges. Pardon. Bitter leaf, ugu,
So these ones are
pineapple.
ogo leaves
Yeah.
now, that?
Yeah.
Okay, but they are still growing.
Yeah.
And this one is bitter leaf,
Look at
water leaf.
Yeah.
Okay. This is
Look
a
at yam.
baby water leaf.
Yeah.
And this is a yam.
Yeah.
Water yam. Can you touch this thing again? Let me see. So this is water yam.
Yeah.
And this one is the pineapple
Yeah.
roots.
This one is producing.
Okay. So is it all this, only this one you can plug? No one is ripe here. Okay.
Produce so many things in the backyard.
And these are plantain trees too.
And banana.
This one is what?
These are banana.
Banana trees.
Yeah. Why these are plantain?
Okay, this one are plantain. Guys, I don't know. I'm trying to. Okay, here is the plantain. Yeah, but not matured yet. You guys have plugged almost everything here. Nothing is remaining. Nothing is here again.
Some people just to plug it. Then look at the palm tree.
Palm tree. Okay, and this one is a palm tree. Can you touch it for me, please? Yeah. Oh wow. Interesting. Wait, maybe I should come closer. Yeah, I'm just afraid so that I don't go and wound myself. Okay. Here is a palm tree. Yeah.
This place, this here, we need to plant avocado.
Avocado pear, but you guys don't have avocado pear again. Which one?
This one,
Wow.
we planted. So
Okay.
if rain fall on it again, it will grow.
Wow. And I love this avocado pear so much.
There is a coconut here before, but it has been cut off.
It's just a small farm.
Yeah.
Guys,
Just
here
like
is
a
the
garden.
pawpaw.
Yeah.
Another pawpaw tree.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That one is about to ripe.
Okay. You want to plug it? Okay. Let's see. He wants to plug one that is about to ripe. Let's see. Let's take a look. I see him plug it. Wow, can see how he's doing it. Go. Whoa! So he just plugged one now. So let's take a look and see the one that is about to ripe. It's coming in with it. Wow, lovely. Wow, this is natural, fresh fruits. Like when you eat it, you know that you are eating fruit. The taste is so natural and sugary, lekker. Wow, so we have like 2 purples here. Okay, so that's it, guys.
Yo.